Oh. So we get up this morning, open up the cages, and Evelyn sees this fella and says, geez, what's happened to Keshet? Then she realises that's one of the babies, because Keshet is over here. And on closer looking, you can see the feathers just about fully feathered. So we're going to have to do something, separate them, because the male adults are known to attack the babies at a certain point. So we're going to have to separate them. And the other two babies, there's one, another green one, and there's the blue one. They're getting ready to make their big journey out. And this fella's learning the ropes of standing on the perch there. That's Keshet and Titan. That's another baby, got its head coming out of the box. I don't know if that's going to come out in the video. But if you look at the entrance to the box, there's another baby coming out. Yeah. Yes, I can see, got it. Okay, we're going to have to do some reorganising today.